How to weave a seed bead ring courtesy of Bluestreak crystals. Pause and replay this as much as you need to. The first thing you need to understand, it's all based around loops, and 4 beads in a cross make a loop. Got it? Great. Now we're going to create a string of these loops which is going to wrap around our finger and make our ring. Once you've got your first 4 bead loop, you're going to do more loops, adding 3 beads each time as you go. With the beads on, it looks like this. Now we want to add in our outline beads that are going to go between our top and bottom beads, giving us our straight edges. The way you do this is you simply thread back through your top and bottom beads. Be sure to not add any outline beads on either end because that comes in at this stage. We want to connect the 2 ends together, and with our loose wire we're going to loop up and round and through, adding in our final top and bottom beads, creating our connecting cross. Now we're going to go through the loops that exist on either side to give us our bridges that are going to be our opportunity to place our final outline beads. Tie a knot in a discreet place and then you've got your ring. Check out our other videos for more tips.